Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk to you about how to manage time. We have heard people saying that we are not able to manage our time, and therefore all the important tasks are either left undone, at times mismanaged, or forgotten. So, in this passage, we are going to find out some important tips regarding the management of time. Time plays very important role in our life. About the time, people say that time is gold. They also say that time is money. We should not waste our time because the time that has passed never returns. It is needful to manage our time systematically. Like others, we too have 24 hours gifted by nature. All of us have equal time. But it is a regretting fact that very few of us are capable to manage our time. Many of us are quite ignorant. Many of us cause our own damnation due to being ignorant about time management. From morning to evening, we waste many hours without doing creative work. In this world, there are a number of people who don't understand the value of time and they curse others to be responsible for the downfall. Let us know how to manage our 24 hours, which are gifted by God every day in the morning. Firstly, we talk about students. Students should manage their time according to their classes, courses, and capacity. Out of 24 hours, at least 10 hours of study. They should save for their book reading. Out of remaining hours, they should spare at least 2 hours for games and sports or any other outdoor activity and 2 hours for household duties. In this way, they can utilize 14 hours accordingly, remaining 10 hours for their rest and sleep. It is very important to mention that you cannot excel in anything without having a good health. Therefore, proper rest of mind and body along with a good deep refreshing sleep is very important. It is not a difficult task. In this way they can perfectly use their time. They can make their personality developed. The book reading process for 10 hours can easily make them talented. 2 hours of games and sports will keep their body fit physically and mentally. When we talk about the people who are employed somewhere, who are in service, they should also make proper distribution of their time. Generally, it is seen that different jobs need different hours of working. So it differs from job to job. Even though all employees should save their time for their children, society, and the nation, they should manage at least 2 hours a day for their children and 2 hours for social works. We should always remember that all work and no play makes a jack dull boy. Therefore, social joining up, social activities, physical activities are very important for life, for living your life in a golden way. This is not difficult and it can be done very easily without making excuses. But many of us are habitual in making excuses. Now let's talk about householders and housewives. They should be very careful in managing their time. Out of 24 hours, they should spare some hours for their children, only for their children. Generally, it is seen that most of us waste our precious time in gossips and unnecessary discussions, and nowadays on mobile phones, of course, because you have such a lot of free data available. We should avoid all this. We should keep ourselves untouched with the bad companies, but because such bad companies can ruin our life. We should try to keep ourselves busy in our creative business. We should, at any cost, try to save ourselves from rumors, blind faiths, wild gossips. At every moment, we should be careful keeping our ears and eyes open so that we can witness all happenings occurring in our surroundings, which you can say living in awareness. Time is a wonderful thing. We don't get it back once it is gone. It can destroy us if we don't care for it. We should always try to understand the knocks of time at the door. It comes and knocks at our door, but most of us do not understand the opportunities available to us. We should welcome it and use it accordingly. If we are able to welcome and use it, time can make us happy, prosperous, respectable, and we have to welcome and use it very well. Everything depends on time, which provides us opportunities. Some of them are golden opportunities. We have 24 hours to use. The same 24 hours were in possession of Buddha, Mahavir, Aristotle, Einstein, Ambedkar, Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King, Gandhi, and everyone you know. The same 24 hours are possessed by scientists, politicians, saints, social workers. It is very well said that the people who are successful use their time differently. That is the only key to their success. Hence, it is essential to manage our time according to our interest and daily routine. You should not avoid yourself just because to achieve some physical objective or success in your life. You should not sacrifice your health, your relationships, your happiness at the cost of success. I have found that most of us spend time in unnecessary chit chats. If we save our time, we can do some creative and innovative practices like social works, which is ardent need of the day. In our society, there is a number of evils prevalent everywhere. We should always try to link ourselves, at least at one nook or corner, which is helpful to the society. Due to these evils, which are unable to get proper progress, we are unable to get proper progress. These evils are social, religious, political, and educational. But evil is not the correct word, I guess. It's a dull universe. There are good and there are bad as well, existing simultaneously. The thing which is required is that we should become aware, we should become knowing, and we should know that what choices are to be made in order to manage our life, our time, and ourselves successfully, happily, prosperly, and creatively. So, everyone, this was a small lecture regarding the time management and what are these various aspects which are needed to manage it successfully, that at the end of the day you feel fulfilled and happy that you have done something precious. So good, wish you all the luck. Keep growing, keep living a very happy and prosperous life. Bye bye for now.